This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 32 of building, I was going to say Optimus Prime, but it's not, obviously. It's Robocop. You know what it is. You can tell by the thing there. I haven't built Optimus Prime for weeks. Let's get on with it. So we'll have a look through the magazine first. Obviously looking at the filming. Filming without a break. Did they do 2 and 3 back to back? I don't know. I'm not going to read about it. But if you want to pause and read about it, feel free. It wouldn't surprise me if they did. Obviously, one became quite a success. They wanted to get on and do more. So yes, we are in here continuing the right knee joint. Much the same as we did last time. We've got the rubber sort of inner body armor to go over it, and then bits to get fit in, and then we are attaching it to the lower leg from previous issues. Yeah, getting a couple of screws in there to hold it together, so it's coming along. I do like it when parts use parts from previous issues. There we go. Looking at this, we've got Home Sweet Home automation. A lot of people have got their smart speakers and things now, possibly doing more home automation and things. I use mine to turn the lights on and off and things like that. So all useful stuff. DNA vaccines. Yeah, there's been some of that in the news recently about tailored vaccines and cures for things specific for your DNA. Interesting stuff. Things can only get better, can't they? So yeah, all about that if you want to read those. But me, I'm going to clear this out of the way and get this built. As ever, let's have a look at the parts. I've prepared the leg that we're going to be attaching it to. So move that out of the way for now. This is what we did last time with the knee joint. What we are doing is fitting this rubbery body panel to that. It goes on there that way round. Yep, that way round, because it's got the bend in it for that. That needs to go on there and slide all the way down, because with that in place, we then need to fit these bits to it. This goes on there, go down further than that. This goes on there that way round, like that, and the first lot of screws hold that in place. For those, there's only one there. Get one more out. Hopefully, keep the bit of paper in there. The bit of paper is going to come out as well, isn't it? Bit of paper will come out. I shall put that back in, because otherwise I won't know what that last remaining screw is. And it's always good to have them and keep them safe. I shall put them in my pile of extra stuff and put it away when the build this month is completed. The 4 issues are done. So this is held in place with 2 little screws just through there. Let's get one in to hold it together, get the other in, make sure everything's lining up properly. If I can get the screw on the end of the screwdriver. It's much easier than doing it from the middle of the screwdriver. Trouble with a lot of these builds is it's all black stuff on black backgrounds with a black screw, and with my eyes the way they are at the moment, it's tricky seeing what's going on. Let's get that in there. Let's get the other one tightened up. Now we've got the first one secure. There we go. And then the other side will simply go in place like that. Pins that go in place on the bottom. 2 screws, I believe, we're just going in the top. Yep, 2 screws at the top. Get it located properly. There we go. That's that locked in place on there. No, it's not. Get that down a little bit further. There we go. That's that. I should have got the screws out first, shouldn't I? Let's try and do that with one hand while I'm holding this open with that. There we go. We got all the screws out. I'll put that one away in a minute. But for now, bigger screwdriver for these, I think. That should go through there. Yep, that'll hold that in place while I get the other screw ready to go. Goes through the other side. Now I'll get both of them tightened up again. That's that. Let's get that screw away while I remember where it comes from. That over there. Then I will need 2 more screws from the new packet, the EM variant, because we're going into metal for these. 2, not 3. Put one back in. Put that over there. Because this is going onto our leg here. One on the screwdriver, good to go, so I can get it lined up, and then we know where we are. So that can now, the rubber bit has to go back up. I can get to the screws down the bottom here. Goes on about there. And we've got 2 screws there and there. That should be there. And the other one at the top. And that will be our leg completed. Not completed by a long stretch, but you know, the knee joint is now attached. So I think next time we will be putting the other half to this in place so we can get that locked in. And then we have the lower part of the leg pretty much done. So that's it for another issue. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're liking what I'm building, consider becoming a channel member and helping me out, or patron indeed. Links are in the description below. Other than that, I shall see you for more next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.